See, it's red.
Red for close.
The chicken tries to come in. Goes back up. This is my happy face. We got the Farmlite making homesteading easy. Not too sure about the last part of that, but Farmlite automatic chicken coop door. This is going on the outside. We went ahead and opted to go with the Farmlite. Had a lot of good reviews, so we're going to give it a shot and see how it works. By the way, Farmlite is not sponsoring this video. We paid cash money for these.
But if they'd like to, we'd love it.
Yeah. Owner manual shows you how to install it. These are remote controlled. But check out these remotes. These things look like they ought to be in a BMW or something. You have to slide the little cover back. Here is the unit, and when this thing's powered up and it's going up, all these LEDs right here light up green. When it's going down, they all light up red. This sensor right here, mount it down here, well, you won't ever decapitate a chicken. It'll stop it and it'll reverse the motor and it'll send the door back up.
I kind of thought they all would have had that. Yeah. I would have never thought that they could have harmed a chicken. But apparently there's been a lot of chickens killed.
But that's a metal door.
And a metal gear?
And a metal gear. Yeah, that is a metal gear.
Good. So that means it's not going to be plastic and shave off strip. Okay. Which our kids have had 2 of these doors. And I don't know what the deal is, but they have not lasted but more than a few months. Not the Farmlite, the cheap $30 brand. I don't, just the brands you can't pronounce.
Okay, we're on the outside of the coop now. I went ahead, didn't bore you with watching me cut these.
Cut the trim?
The trim, but center this. She's left me unsupervised. Oh no. Two side pieces, bottom piece, and then decorative trim on top. What I'm doing is just trying to line this up with my stuff that I've got. And they do say, do not over tighten the screws. Because I guess it'll pinch this and the door won't operate properly.
So this is actually the sensor?
Yeah, this is anti-decapitating. Now it's time to push this through that. There is insulation in this wall. From years of experience of pulling cables through insulated walls, this will not push through by itself. So I have a guide in the form of a screwdriver.
Oh, your screwdriver's your guide. Okay.
Don't take much, just enough to keep it on there. We'll go outside and gently pull it. Voila. And it plugs in right there. And then we got the rain shield, but I gotta cut a couple of
Got a couple blocks.
blocks. This is what I was talking about earlier. A lot of people that we watched videos, they put the rain shield way up here, and it does nothing.
It's not going to do any good to cover.
So what you do is you mount it here, but you got to set blocks far enough that the door can come up behind it.
Okay, and I'll show the other one like that. This is what he's talking about. These blocks right there. Pardon the caulking job. So see how the door comes behind the shield. There's the lights he's talking about. The green open lights. Cool.
See, it's red.
Red for close.
The chicken tries to come in. It goes back up.
Yep. Safety feature. So nope, doesn't worry it here. Right there it works. Perfect.
Which we got smart chickens, they wouldn't get decapitated.
I don't know about that. This was suggested from the company, from Farmlite. It comes up right behind it. Nice. If you're wondering what he's looking at, he's looking over at the other one. We have 2 coops, and they will be divided with a fence over here. We actually are going to need a 3rd door for a nursery. We did not get this Farmlite for that though.
This is the pro tip that I was talking about. Never, when a wire is going into something, always make it go up and in. If it was like this, water gets on it, it runs right in the hole. If you tip it down this way, water hits this, it runs off. Hits this, it runs off.
It always runs down.
Yeah.
That's a good pro tip.
There. Installation complete. All right, these programming these things are pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult. You just hit it. This thing runs on a 24-hour format. It does not do
The 12-hour?
doesn't do 12. It's all 24. So remember that.
1 o'clock is 13.
Yep. Right now it is 3:55. So I hit set. Hours blinking. So that's 15. Hit set again. The minutes blink. It's 55. Hit the plus to run it up. And set. This is opening time. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 7 o'clock because it's
7 a.m. is getting light.
yeah. So do that. The minutes blink. This is the closed. It's 20. That's 8 o'clock. Get set, the minutes, and then this is if you want to do, this will also operate by daylight. When it gets daylight, you can set it to open, and when it gets dark, it'll close. And now we'll open this up so I can get to the remote.
I love how it has lights to show you that it's opening.
Programming the remotes. And they actually came with batteries, which is good because these are odd size batteries.
Odd batteries. Tiny little things.
That covers it up.
With a slider cover, okay?
So, to pair the remotes with this unit so it doesn't operate that one.
Right.
It says press RMT for 1 second.
Yeah.
And then hit any button. It's pretty darn quick.
Oh, wow.
It's got a stop button.
It's windy, guys. Woo.
And it's not hot.
No. Oh my goodness.
I haven't sweated at all today.
No, the high's been in the 70s, I think.
Yeah, but you got to do both remotes, so.
And so he had me tested a minute ago where I walked over around to the other side of the building and hit the remote and it came up. It worked just fine.
If this thing works like it seems to be working, I mean, the ones that we had that mounted inside, those things were a pain to try to get set. I'm totally.
Yeah. This is like impressive.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up on the Farmlite automatic chicken door. They are not hard to install. I was impressed with how easy it was. Manual, very thorough. They handle everything in there pretty well. So far I'm impressed with it. We'll see how it works. We read lots of reviews. Most of the reviews were good. There was nothing hard about this. Hit us up in the comments if you got questions on it. So far I'm sold, but time will tell how well it works over time.
Yep.
So that's it. Like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. See y'all.
Bye. Trying to herd them back in before the timer goes down. That big boy. New coop yard. They're excited.